Secret number one is to take 100% responsibility for your life. I know, responsibility. Who wants to take responsibility for their life? But the thing about it is that if you are able to take complete responsibility, meaning that whatever happens to your life, you are responsible for your life, your feelings, your actions. And having that in mind gives you a whole new perspective on what it takes to have excitement in your life. You know, we tend to blame the government, the economy, our parents. It is so easy to blame. But once you give up blaming others and say that I am responsible for my life, for my feelings, and for every result that I get, you'll have the power to control your life, live by design, not by default, and at the same time, inject some excitement into your lifestyle.